This is MIT Enterprise Forum of the Northwest, and I'm here on the phone doing a telephone interview with Tim Harader. He's the president and co-founder of Hypershow, which is going to be demonstrating a product at Northwest Startup Demo Spring 2011. Demo's happening on May 12th, 2011 in Seattle at 1 Union Square Building, 600 University Street. So Tim, thank you for joining us. And what can you tell us about the product that you're going to be demonstrating?
Well, Hypershow has products and services that enable the movie studios and broadcasters to deliver their movies and TV shows as advanced interactive applications that you can buy or rent for mobile devices and for living room devices. So what we're going to show at the demo event are some of those products that our customers have actually released commercially, and that includes some apps for the Windows Phone 7 and also for the PC and Mac. And these are self-contained movie and TV show applications that allow you to do all sorts of interesting interactive activities. What
are some examples of these activities they provide?
Well, probably the most easily understood feature is simply the ability to tap the screen or tap a character or an object on the screen and immediately get contextual interactivity for that object or actor. So an example would be, let's say you're watching the movie Star Trek and you can't remember who's playing Spock, so you simply click on Spock and it tells you not only who's playing Spock, but gives you things like the filmography of the actor, maybe more information about the character Spock, maybe information about the products or even costumes that Spock is using and wearing. The whole idea is to immerse the user in the experience in a very intuitive and easy-to-do way.
Have you demoed any of this before, or is this the first time?
Well, we have demoed it before at various trade shows for the movie and broadcast industry. And there are actually products built on our technology that are commercially available. But we don't normally demonstrate in this type of venue, to groups.
And what would you say differentiates you from your competitors?
Well, we're really the only company that offers the tools and services that let the studios deliver these rich interactive products where the interactivity is right in the movie and the movie is an application. There are a lot of other similar types of experiences where the interactivity is around the media. An example of that would be Netflix or even VOD from your local cable provider where there is interactivity, but it's usually around discovering content or searching for content rather than having the interactivity in the content. It's a lot more similar to the way Blu-ray would work or DVD, where it's a packaged good, and when you play it back, then you can actually do things inside of the movie.
All right. And also, what are you hoping to get out of a Northwest Startup Demo?
Well, the biggest thing is just awareness. We love to talk about our products and services and teach people really what's going to be possible in the future for home entertainment. We feel that what we provide will really change the home entertainment industry. Once users have the ability to click on an object and go buy it, or click on an actor, or even click and find out what song is playing under the scene, those are very powerful, intuitive things that will really change the way people experience home video and change their expectations. So that's probably the most exciting thing. But also, of course, to increase awareness in the investor community.
And what was the most major challenge that you faced in creating this product, in creating the Hypershow product?
Well, we've actually spent about 10 years thinking about this. My partner, the CTO of Hypershow, and myself, who launched the company last year. And over that 10 years, a lot of the technologies and market conditions fell into place to make this a reality. You need powerful client hardware in the form of devices and PCs and Macs. You need powerful software, and you need market penetration of broadband connectivity because much of this interactive feature stuff is all network-based. So you've got to have the connectivity. So when all those things kind of fell into place, we found a technology called Silverlight from Microsoft, which is really the only platform-type technology that is rich enough and powerful enough to enable you to do these things. So it was really a confluence of different things coming together that allowed us to create this technology.
And how can our listeners contact you to learn more about your product?
Well, they can certainly email me at tim@hypershow.com or info@hypershow.com, and we're happy to talk to them about the products and give them demos. We're also going to be at the Streaming Media East show in New York City, May 10th and 11th, right before this demo event, showing our products. And we do trade shows on a regular basis.
Okay, and I guess the last question I have for you is, do you have any advice for companies that are looking to present at Northwest Startup Demo? Advice about that maybe worked for you, that helped you to get in?
Well, I think the biggest thing is just knowing your story. Knowing how to tell your story to people, to explain clearly what it is that you're doing, what's exciting about it, and why it's a promising product or service that deserves people's attention. That's the biggest bit of learning I think that we've done is just learning how to succinctly tell your story, and to tell it, to know your audience, so you're telling the right story.
Right, well, thank you for your time, Tim.
Well, thank you very much, Sean.
Yes, and look forward to seeing you on May 12th.